Today's March 19th, and I'm starting to prepare my garden for planting. Here, I already planted some early potatoes, and we still have frost in the evening, so I put a pane of glass over the top to see if it would help, and we'll see what happens. And this bed right here was full of this weed here, and this is a very, very nutritious weed. It has a very, very high protein content. It grows all year long. And these light white flowers are from the weed, and it's gonna start producing seed, and I'm just gonna let it continue to propagate in this lawn. I mean, not this lawn, but in this garden. And for breakfast, I always come out here, pick a handful, and put it in my soup. And that's my vegetable for the winter. I'm not gonna buy any more vegetables anymore unless I really gonna eat it that day or the next day, because I keep buying vegetables and it sits in the refrigerator and just spoils because I forget I have it there. So I'm just gonna grow it and eat what I grow. That way I can just come out here and pick it fresh. And here is Napa cabbage that survived the winter. It's starting to grow. Here's another one. It's producing flowers already. I mean, it didn't become that Napa cabbage that I was looking for. I wonder if I got the wrong seeds. I mean, if I got the right package, it would have said, but I wonder if I put the wrong seeds in it. Because this does not look like Napa cabbage. Well, I'll have to try to next year. I'm gonna let this grow and go to seed and then collect the seeds from it. And that's the beginning of my new year. Oh, and I built this fire pit. I built this fire pit to burn up all the wood material. Like this branch here. I mean, I have a lot of branches that I trimmed off the trees. And they don't biodegrade that easily, so I just burn it and turn to biochar and put the fire out before it totally turns into ash. And make biochar, I'm going to put it in my compost pile and mix it up, and by next year I'll have some good compost with biochar. Okay, that's it for the update for today, March 19th, 2021.